Just take a moment, guys, and enjoy, breathe in the nature. Yeah, look at all this. Look at all these greeneries, guys, and the air is so fresh, so fresh. Yeah. If I was to be given a chance, I would love to stay in such kind of places, like all through, no noise, no nothing. So this is just a pathwalk, yeah? Pedestrians pathwalk. On the other side, there are vehicles, yeah? So yeah, let's go to our destination. It's a surprise, guys. It's a surprise for you all. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All that is vegetation. Yeah. I just wish it rained all through, not like heavy rains, but at least now and then there be rain, so that the environment can stay green. Yeah. It's so beautiful, so admirable. And the breeze, guys, is so good, so cool. I just love this idea of planting trees along the road. You know, it gives aesthetics. It gives, I don't even know how to explain it, but yeah, it's so good, so good. And there are some flowers along the road. Yep. Yeah, guys, I don't want to disclose the location before. I know some of you, by the views and whatever, you already know wherever we are, but let me just quickly get a place and do an intro, and then from there on we can proceed. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, what's up, guys? It's your girl Angai Thumuni, and I'm super excited to be back. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Consider subscribing to this channel. If you're old, just know it's called and for listening in. So yeah, that was a quick intro. I'm at a bridge, as you can see, and on that side there's a river. On this other side there's a river. So we are officially in Thika. So I'm going to adventure a little bit. There's a place I'm going right there behind. So that's where we are going to be going today. And yeah, let's do this. It was a rush actually, because I was delivering some stuff in my stage, so I was like, I can't go back home, so let's do this. And this is my new style. I know I was done yesterday and it is so itchy, not itchy but painful, so I didn't even get time to style up. Yeah, so let's just go, guys. Let's just go. So yeah, we are headed to the other side of the road. So as you can see, guys, that is now officially Thika Road. Yeah, Thika Road, and then we go up on that other side. We go into the jungle, guys. We go into the jungle, and this place looks so cute. So we're going to find our way up to the waterfall, as you can hear. So let's trek. Yeah, that's the waterfall over there. So let's see if you're going to get in. And I didn't carry my ID. I never carried my identification card, so I just hope. So you can see it from this other side there. So let's see if we can get in without an ID. Just hope. Oh. So yeah guys, this is the Chania Falls located in Thika. You can access it via the Blue Coast Hotel. So look at the environment guys. Look at that fall. Look at that. And there's some small monkeys. I don't know which brand, not brand, but which species it is of the monkeys. But there's some of them. Wherever you can see the trees moving, huh? When it comes close, I'm gonna show you. And they're so tiny. So yeah, that's wherever we started our journey from. You see up there is that small bridge. So that's where I did my intro, yeah. And yeah, here we are. So apparently the entrance is only 150 shillings and you can just come in. So it is more of a picnic site. No food allowed since it's a hotel. So you just buy the foods in here. The place is so gorgeous. Look at all this. And there's this tree. I can't recall the name of this tree that has orange flowers. The monkeys are not coming close. So yeah guys, as I was saying, I'm at Chania Falls, Thika. It's located in the Blue Coast. Look at that. There's a monkey along that fence. So the entrance, as I said, is only 150 shillings. No snacks allowed. So yes. So I guess my front camera is kind of misbehaving. So I'm going to be using the other behind camera. You won't be seeing much of me. So yeah. So let's go see what this place has to offer aside from the waterfalls and the monkeys, yeah. So let's go. So yeah guys, that's the other waterfall. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know why it's not all that clear, but I think it's because of the lighting. But anyway guys, yeah, I hope you've seen that small monkey, and it's so fearless, just passing. I guess it's used to people, so I guess it's just passing wherever people are. No shame, no nothing. So yeah guys, we used the path head to the zoo, and there are some old houses along there. So, and I love the way the rocks are, you know. The green, the trees, guys, so amazing. Commit and enjoy all this, guys. All by myself. All by myself. This is a thatched shed or a house, you know, structure. So let's go in. There's an ostrich, guys. Hi. So we're inside the animal park. As you can see at the gate, we've seen a big ostrich. Yeah. So I don't know what's in here. These are just palm trees. There's a pond. Oh, there's a crocodile. Do you see it, guys? Is it a crocodile? I'm a alligator. I don't know the difference. Let's get close to it. I guess it is gone to the side where there's a shade. Oh, there's another. It's because there's another one next to it. So there, guys, crocodile. There are two of them. One on this side, the other one on the other side. And there's another one on there. I guess they're taking a break. Let's proceed. I just feel some ponds are just empty. Yeah. There's some tortoise. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tortoise. Here they are. The small ones. Look at this one. Look at this one. There's this one coming. It thinks I have food. And I don't have anything for them. So yeah, let's move on to the next. They're called leopard tortoise. Yeah, this one is pooping. The others are kind of dormant. Yeah, these are the ones. That stinks. That stinks. So as I was saying, there's an eagle here. There's nothing bad like assuming you're recording and you're not. I had put my video on pause, so I'm just talking there to myself, only to realize I'm not recording. Huh? Oh yeah. Free the bird, free the bird, free the bird. Oh my god. What does it even eat? If you had team free the bird, just put on a like there, guys. It's so desperate to go out. I even pity it. It's caged. Animals are not meant to be caged at all. At all. As much as you're giving it food. Look at it, yeah. Team, which bird is this? Which bird is this? To me, I just feel like it's an eagle, yeah? On to the next. Some rabbits. Yeah, those are some small bunnies, rabbits. So there's a lizard. So I don't think there's anything here, right? Just a small pond. Let's see what's on this side. Mongoose. Mongoose looks like a white-tailed mongoose, yeah? But there's nothing in here. I don't see anything which is white. So we move on to the next. So these are some local rabbits. Whoever knows how to spell this, chinchilla or chinchilla, whichever. So these are some tiny baby rabbits. Do you see them? So cute. Friendly one. Hi. Mama ni demu yake na kan demu yake sasa na demu yake na So there's some guinea pigs over here. This looks like small rabbits or big rats, yeah? But the ears looks like those of a pig. Yeah, there are 3 of them. They are so adorable. The rest are hiding here. Do you see them? So yeah, they look so good. So this is what they're called, some guinea pigs. So some of the cages don't have anything. I'm sure even that one doesn't have anything. So let's proceed to this side. And these, I just love how they've embraced nature. Lots of trees, lots of greeneries. Look at these. That's a jacaranda tree. At least I know that one. There's some aloe vera over here. For those people who've never seen aloe vera, this is it. Aloe vera for you. So let's go to that pond. And of course there is nothing to show. So let's proceed. So for those people who've noticed to the rabbits, there's one with little kids. I don't know the kids of rabbits. What's their name? Yeah. So it forms a form of net or a nest where it gives birth. So after giving birth, now before it gives birth, it sheds its leaves. Not leaves, but its feathers. Yeah. Not feathers. Do they have feathers? Haitarusha? Koshua? Ni porcupine? So yeah, right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's gone into hiding, guys. There's a porcupine inside there, and it's limping. So that's what I was concerned if it's going to throw some of its. Yeah, I guess I don't know why it's like it's fearing. Oh. So let's just take another corner and then let's give it a break. Maybe a lot of people have disturbed it, so it's called a porcupine. I'll pass by there and then see if it's going to come out of there. hiding area. There are others here, guys. Let's be slow. Do you see them? They are sleeping. So these ones are resting, yeah? Those are porcupines, and I'm sure those pines of theirs are usually poisonous. They're usually poisonous, so it's like a defensive mechanism. Anytime it senses any threat, it just spikes, yeah? So this is their home. The other one is kind of limping. These ones are resting, so I don't know. They don't want to be sent to death. So on to the next, on to the next, on to the next. Yay! They're eating bananas. They've been fed some bananas. So as much as they are caged, they're being fed. Do you see this one? There's another one. There are 3 of them. There's this tiny one over here. So as the others are running scot-free, these ones are caged here, but at least they're being fed. That's the plus side of being caged here. One has to ensure that you're being fed. No, nothing. So one has finished its bananas. Actually, it has not finished. There are many bananas over there, but ni kama zimeshiba. They've just been fed unripe bananas. They will have been given at least ripe ones. But I think they love bananas so much. Tiny one. So focused. So is this a duck or a... Let's see. Whether it's a duck or a geese. So it's just one. It's a guinea fowl. Is that its name? And there are these huge jacaranda trees. This is a jacaranda. The other tree, I don't know what its name. Yeah, and if you see a tree is this way, the stems, the branches, just know it's a couple of years, not a couple of decades. Let's see if there's some snake over here. Please do not touch, do not lean. Oh, there's a rock python over here. Do you see it? Here it is, guys. So the head is under this branch, and it's so huge. Look at this. So, and there's some water for it here. You can go in. Just look at that snake. How huge is it? And it's only one. At least they would have looked for it a mate. At least when there are 2 of them, it's easier for life. Damn, it's so huge. I don't like snakes. So let's go in and see what's in here. In here, in here, in here. So let me know how you're enjoying this place. Whether you're enjoying, not how. And there's some cactus over here. This is a cactus. Oh. So let's proceed in here and see what's good, what's good, what's popping. Touch love. Do not touch. Look at these teeth. 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 This is a hippopotamus. So this takes you back to history, guys. These are the gadgets that were being used for music. Yeah. And there this telephone. Yeah. And I guess this is a typewriter, right? Or I don't know what that is. And another telephone. There is much to learn here, guys. Many shells. And they have their names, yeah? Ooh. Money, 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 money. These are different these are donations. So some of this is the old currency. Guys, look at these snakes. They've been reserved, I don't know which material, which type of liquid they've been reserved, but these are snakes. These are snakes. Damn. I don't know which preservative they've used. For those people who do biology or chemistry, they can tell us what they use to preserve specimens. They look so... This is crazy. There's even a frog over there. Yep. And more snakes. Which snake is this? Is this a live snake? We've got a live one here. This is puff adder. It is a venomous snake found in African savanna and grassland. Its venom is cytotoxic, destroys tissues, but regarded as slow-acting when disturbed. The coil defensive S-shape posture and his hardly diet mostly. Look at whatever it's doing to this. And what do they eat? Lizards, birds, amphibians. Yeah, enough of that. Yeah, ostrich eggs. There are some guinea fowls. Some crocodiles do lay eggs, yeah? I even forgot about that. And there's these leopard tortoise eggs. Yeah, of course they're reptiles. The whole of this is this is the snake's shell. Look at this, all that long up to that end. And more snakes, guys. Look at that. It's stretching itself all day. So crazy. And it's so long. Which snake is this? This is a black mamba, guys. This is a black mamba. So poisonous. So this is the black mamba. A very fast moving alert diurna snake may shelter for several months on holes, diet birds, small mammals, and other snakes. It is so long. You see all that? It extends itself up to this. Damn. Look at how it is stretching itself without holding anywhere. So you can imagine how strong the muscle is, yeah? And I'm all alone in this place. It's so long. So you can imagine all the stretch. Stretch. It's so long. It may lay from 6 to 17 eggs. Those are 17 babies. Yeah, anyway, on to the next. This is the olive house snake. It is dormant. It is so tiny. So tiny. Well, compared to the so there are some shells over here. More shells. So these are the types of fish. Yeah? There's the starfish. Oh, these are shaded. And there's a snake. There's a nest over there. These are feathers. The snakes are scary. The old age man. Do you see all this? These are water plants, water animals, yeah? No, these are plants. There's some crabs. There's a coral in this one here. This is a lobster. People eat this. And it's breathing, guys. You can think it's dead, and then the prey is going to go there, and then whew, it gets swallowed. Yeah? Yes. Na iko na fujo. So yeah, guys, we're out of the animal park, so let's go and take a swing, a little bit of it, and then see what next. And guys, as you can see, there's some horses, guys. This is a black horse, and there are other two over there. Let's hurry up, guys, and catch them. That's a horse. Those are others over there. So let's swing a little bit and then there's a children's playground, so you don't be afraid of coming with kids here. And as you can see, it has been told, sing strictly for children. As for me, I've already swung, so there is no one doing that. So there's a kids area here. So kids are taken care of. So let's go to this pond. As you can see, mother geese is already here. Mother goose, geese are plural, right? So it's swimming. So yeah, the park is so nice, and as I said, there are horses here. So let's take some snaps. And of course you can decide to take a boat ride. Yeah, there's a boat over here, and then you can just go around this place. Yeah, I don't know what ship it is. Some houses. They are grazing. There are three, and there's this one. There's this one and the other. So and there's this gorgeous palm tree. Mother Goose is still making noise. I don't know what it is lacking. Yeah. Look at how it's eating grass. So yeah, our final churches. This is the route to the gate. So let's head on. Let's head on. On this other side, it's just a whole playground. So you can just come with your team building, a group, and then you can have fun. Yeah, and it is a nice place to relax. So I highly recommend. Just imagine only 150 shillings for adults and 100 shillings for kids. So you and your kids can have fun, maybe on a Sunday or on a weekend. Right now it's this is kids friendly place. This is a nice place. Instead of just going to Uhuru Park all the time, guys, instead of wondering where you're going to take your kids for the holidays, well, it's not a holiday destination, but it's a nice place, like to just come chill and have fun.